In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reimburse employee expenses in Odoo. We'll walk through the full process from creating an expense to marking it as paid, so you can handle employee reimbursements clearly and accurately inside the system. To begin, open the Expenses app in Odoo. This is where all employee expense records are managed, including new submissions, approvals, and reimbursements. Once you're inside, go to My Expenses. From here, you can either create a new employee expense or pin an existing one that still needs to be processed. When the expense form is open, look for the Reimbursement section. Here, select Employee. This is an important setting because it tells Odoo that the employee paid for the expense personally and now needs to be reimbursed by the company. If this option is set incorrectly, the accounting and payment flow may not match the real transaction, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Next, enter the required expense details. Fill in the description so the expense is easy to identify. Choose the correct product, enter the total amount, set the date of the expense, and confirm the employee linked to it. Make sure these details are accurate because they affect both reporting and reimbursement records. If a receipt or supporting document is required, click Attach Receipt and upload it. Adding the receipt helps with verification and approval, and it also keeps all documentation stored directly with the expense record for future reference. Once everything has been reviewed, click Submit to send the expense for approval. At this point, the expense moves into the approval stage and typically waits for review by the appropriate manager. The authorized manager should then open the expense, review the information, and click Approve if everything is correct. Approval confirms that the expense is valid and ready to move forward in the reimbursement process. After the expense has been approved, click Post. Posting the expense creates the accounting entry for the reimbursement, which means the expense is now officially recorded in the books and ready for payment. The next step is to process the payment to the employee using the appropriate bank or cash journal, depending on how the reimbursement will be made. Be sure to use the correct journal so your accounting remains organized and easy to reconcile later. Once the reimbursement has been completed and the payment is reconciled, the expense status will update to paid. That confirms the employee has been reimbursed successfully and the process is fully complete in Odoo. Thanks for watching.